गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ा था, फाइंड द कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिसेस। So for finding cofactor, first of all we have to find minor and then we find cofactors. Now in the second question we have to find matrix of cofactors. Means after finding a11, a12 and all, we will write in a matrix, and that matrix is called as matrix of cofactors. So procedure is same, but now we have to write that all answers in matrix. So that is the matrix of cofactors. Now see the first one. So here first element a11, so m11 for this is -1. So m11 is -1. Then m12 means this element. So answer is 4. Then m21 is 4, so for that 3 is answer. And then m22, so 1. So these are the values of m11 -1, m12 4, m21 3 and m22 1. Now we will find a11. So -1 to the power 1 plus 1 into m11. So -1 to the power 2 into m11 is -1. So this is 1 into -1 means -1. Now a12 -1 to the power 1 plus 2 into m12 is equal to -1 to the power 3 into m12 is 4. So -1 into 4 means -4. Then a21 is equal to -1 to the power 2 plus 1 into m21. So -1 to the power 3 into m21 is 3. So this is -1 into 3 means -3. Now a22 -1 to the power 2 plus 2 into m22 is equal to -1 to the power 4. m22 is 1. So 1 into 1 means 1. So a11 -1, then a12 -4, then a21 -3 and a22 1. Now we have to find cofactor matrix, means matrix of a cofactor. So matrix of cofactor is equal to a11, a12, a21, a22. So now we are having all values, so just substitute. So -1, -4, -3, 1. सो इस तरीके से हमने इसके पहले भी कोफैक्टर फाइंड करना था, तो सेम प्रोसीजर थी, बट नाउ वी हैव टू राइट मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफैक्टर. सो मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफैक्टर इज लाइक दिस एंड दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ इन द सेम वे वी विल सॉल्व द सेकेंड वन. Now this is the second question. For this we have to find matrix of cofactor. So first of all we'll start with m11. So m11 means ये पूरा skip होगा, ये matrix आएगा 1 3 3 -5. So 1 into -5 -3 into 3. So -5 -9 -14. So a11 is equal to -1 to the power 1 plus 1 into m11. So -1 to the power 2 into -14. So this is equal to -14. Now m12. Now m12 means this -2 3 0 -2 3 0 -5. So -2 into -5 -0 into 3. So 10 minus 0 means 10. So a12 is equal to -1 to the power 1 plus 2 into m12. -1 to the power 3 into m12 is 10. So -10. Now m13. So m13 is -2103. -2103. So -2 into 3 -0 into 1. so minus 6. So A13 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into M13. So minus 1 to the power 4 into minus 6. So answer is minus 6. Now M21. So M21 is this. So this line and this line 0 to 3 minus 5. 0 to 3 minus 5. Now solve 0 into minus 5. Minus 3 into 2. So minus 6. So A21 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 to the power 3 into minus 6. This is equal to 6. So A21 is 6. Now M22. M22 means this. So 1 to 0 minus 5. 1 to 0 minus 5. 1 into minus 5 minus 0 into 2. Minus 5. So A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So minus 1 to the power 4 into minus 5. So answer is minus 5. So A22 is minus 5. Now we will find M23. So this is our matrix. Now we find M23. M23 means this element. So this line and this line. So 1 0 0 1 0 0 3. So 1 into 3 minus 0 means 3. So A23 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into M23. So minus 1 to the power 5 into 3. So minus 3. Now M31. M31 means this. So 0 to 1 3. So 0 minus 2. So minus 2. So A31 minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into M31. Minus 1 to the power 4 into minus 2. So answer is minus 2. Now M32 means this element. Now this line and this line. 1 2 minus 2 3. 1 2 minus 2 3. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 plus 4. 7. Now A32 M32. So minus 1 to the power 5 into 7 minus 7. Now last M33 is, M33 means this element. So 1 0 minus 2 1. 1 0 minus 2 1. 1 into 1 minus 0. So 1. So A33 is minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M33. So minus 1 to the power 6 into 1. So answer is 1. So now we got all cofactors. Now we will write the cofactor matrix. And the cofactor matrix is equal to, now 3 by 3 matrix is there. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 and A31, A32, A33. Now we are having all values. Just substitute. So our A11 is minus 14, A12 is minus 10, A13 is minus 6, A21 is 6, then A22 is minus 5, A23 is minus 3, then A31 is minus 2, A32 is minus 7 and this is 1. Minus 2, minus 7 and 1. So this is the cofactor matrix. So in this way we have to find cofactor matrix. Now see the question number 3. Find the adjoint of the following matrix. Now for finding adjoint, we have to first of all find minor cofactor and then cofactor matrix. And after finding cofactor matrix, we will take transpose of that cofactor matrix so that we will get adjoint of the given matrix. Now say we will find M11. M11 is 5. So A11 is M11. So minus 1 to the power 2 into 5. So answer is 5. So A11 is 5. Now M12. M12 is 3. So A12 is, which is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 into 3, means A12 is minus 3. Now M21. M21 is minus 3. So A21 is minus 1 to the power 3 into minus 3. So minus 1 into minus 3. So answer is 3. This is A21. And the last M22. M22 means 2. So A22 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. So M22 is 2. So answer is 2. Now we will write cofactor matrix. And cofactor matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So A11, A12, A21, A22. Now substitute all the values. So A11 is 5, A12 is minus 3, A21 is 3 and A22 is 2. Now in this question we have to find adjoint. So adjoint of this matrix, suppose we have written A is equal to, okay, so adjoint of A is equal to, now take transpose. Now transpose means row becomes column and column becomes row. So 5u minus 3, first row बन गया first column and second row बन जाएगा second column. So in this way we have to find adjoint of a given matrix.